Recording. Okay. This has been a gorgeous day. And there we go. That's how the construct is doing. See how that looks like a ship or something, right? And then there's like the darker areas, like through here. And it goes like that. If you watch them, you'll see that that one's going to attach to that little one. There's like an arm coming there. I don't know. Now it seems like it's backing away a little bit. They take their good old sweet time to change shapes. But there's a construct underneath, well, within the cloud. They're just covering everything up. Those are the demiurge. And they have many forms that they store on those constructs. And the sun, I don't want to like do it directly, is like a heat lamp. I've taken pictures in the past by Galaxy S7, which had a really good camera. I imagine the new phones are more equipped now, but it's not necessarily a good thing because it burns out the diodes when you. That's what happened to my Samsung Galaxy. So, oh, there they are. Squirrels. I don't have anything for you guys. I could make a channel and just have maybe Tanya's squirrels. I don't have nothing, dudes. They stalking me, man. These squirrels. You give them a few nuts for 2 years, and every time they see you, they're running, stalking you. Okay. Now, back to the Matrix. Like, if you look at when the sun goes down, but you could still, there's enough light, you see, like, the holograms are up there or something. You see, like, this here, mass, more, it's like third density to the max or down on the ground here. But there is red light zone, the red spectrum going down. In the red spectrum is where we all are. We're not actually in this construct, but it seems to occupy the same space, right? But they're separate from each other. Depends on your ability to perceive, to see. These avatars are third density light that is an artificial light, while our true forms are pure light. See? Oh, and these critters, they're just part of the matrix, but very basic consciousness, basic awareness for this place. And there's a cat across the street. Look at him. He's behind the sign. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. There's a few cats that live over by that red house. Oh, I don't want to get addresses and shit on here. Alright, so you, conditioner on my hair. It's kind of a protection method. It has aloe vera in it. Use aloe vera. Now here, I'm going into the products again. Use anything that dries for the biobots. Like, I mean, don't do damage to the avatar skin or hair or anything. And I make a vinegar spray. I keep it around me because I can sense when they're near, or my other selves, they let me know, and intuitively I just perceive them. The communication is not like words at all, or language. Oh boy, I'm spraying the back here because I'm perceiving my guidance through this last before unplugging. Oh, I want to pause it. There's somebody here. But I probably won't get back to it. That's the thing. 6:45. Okay. And the sun is going down now. So we are in the red spectrum, and all of this is artificial. See, because if it before this construct was here, which has been fucking long, no, I shouldn't say that, a long time, all right? And they're formless forms. They do have like a sort of, I don't know, they look like a dirty freaking cloud. Like a dirty one. See that one that's kind of, it's just all dark? Kind of like in a blob, like that's what they look like as a negative thought form. But they seem to like have a face. I don't know, it's weird. No lower half of the body, like a jinn. The jinn. And I'm gonna pause it. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, and so how you unplug? You have to feel. You have to neutral observe and be in a transcendental state to be able to perceive your true self and feel you within it. And I gotta pause it again. I wanted to catch the squirrels.
Oh, you missed it earlier.
No, I did. I filmed them already.
Oh, I was just to say they were earlier. They were mowing down on those big, huge.
There's one right here in the corner, and then there's another one coming from over, and there's another one over there between the two cars by the sidewalk, by the red house, and probably some more down there. All right. Well, squirrel update. So anyways, I was saying, unplugging, about, whoa, look, oh shit, they're chasing each other. I don't know if I'm getting them. There we go. Hello, buddy. You being territorial? I don't have any nuts.
He said that,
Sorry.
He's like, I'm thinking I'm gonna get on top of your head and pop, and maybe have babies. Well,
They're cute, but you know, they're the ancestors, the ones that came before us. And they didn't come back in a human form because they no longer had the capacity to do so because of the low unconsciousness, amnesia that they're in. It gets stronger and stronger. You're human, and then you go to being reduced to these guys or something, you know. The ones who are at bug level, oh boy. Mosquito only lives for how long?
I don't know. I'm not worried about mosquitoes. This last couple days have been too damn cold.
No,
If there were
but
mosquitoes, they died out.
There's a blackie right there. 2 of them. Wait. And one over, the grayish one over there. Well, my channel loves to watch the squirrels. I film them and then I upload video, you know.
Nothing wrong with that.
And I just decided, well, I'm out here, I'm pretty good charge, so I'll just make another video. But, alright, those guys are unrecoverable. Anything in the animal or bug area. And I saw in the construct, everyone in the red spectrum. Here comes a car. Oh, it's going. But you were on the alert. Good job. So cute. This one's eating something in the grass. What do you suppose he's eating? Oh, here's the little one.
He looks like a baby, bro.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
I filmed him before.
They are adorable.
They eat something in the grass or something. I don't know. They
Well, they probably eat the grass and the flowers because it gives them, it's like eating lettuce or spinach for us. It probably gives them nutrients and all that.
See, he came to see me. Not today, baby. I'm sorry. He's got a little white on his tail.
Sure, he's not
at the
skunk?
tip. It's
like
kind of invisible when...
No, I can see it.
It's kind of invisible when it's mixed
sure
with the grass.
Maybe his mama's a squirrel and his daddy is a skunk.
Oh, he climbed up that first tree.
Hi.
I don't know if they eat those berries. I was told they
handsome?
were poisonous. Red.
I want to see if I can get a picture of him too.
Oh, he's sticking right out. I can't twist my hand that way. You see his little head sticking out. And then there's this one. Whoops, where'd he go? Oh, he ducked in the grass. They're so cute and adorable. Oh, I watched some of the monkeys on YouTube. And they got them wearing clothes now and using the toilet and cooking and all kinds of stuff. Harvesting vegetables and all kinds of stuff. Going to the market and taking money for stuff that they brought there. Sometimes they're out on the street, the curb, selling stuff. The monkey.
Monkey's on back. Crap.
There's no human there that's selling except for who's filming it, you know, as far as I know. But they pay the monkey and they take what they...
You sound like George Michael.
Huh?
You got the monkey on your back.
Yeah, but it's kind of like weird. They're like treating them like children. And there's this one couple, oh, it was so sad though. He found the monkey BB and oh, he just showed it. I don't see no more squirrels. They're all doing something.